Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Shahril bin Omar Farouk and my matrix number is 10DKM21F1079 and my team members are Zulfikar and Abbas Fatih. We are from class 2A. Now we want to discuss about question number 7 based on application of trigonometry. The question is, find the coordinates of the stationary point of the curve y equals to x power 3 minus 4. Determine their nature and sketch the graph. First of all, we need to determine the stationary point by using differentiation method dy dx. The equation is y equals to x power 3 minus 4. So we need to differentiate the equation. After differentiate the equation, we will get dy dx equals to 3x power 2. Next, we must find the value of x. dy dx equals to 0. So the value of dy dx, we need to substitute into the equation. So 3x squared equals to 0. The value of x will be 0. Next, we need to find the value of y. Y equals to x power 3 minus 4. The value of x, we need to substitute into the equation. So the value of x is 0. So we need to substitute 0 in the equation. Y equals to 0 power of 3 minus 4. Y is negative 4. So the stationary point is 0, negative 4. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Shahril for your explanation. Now, before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Zulfikar bin Asrial and my matrix number is 10DKM21F10 and 55. So, for our next step is, we need to determine the nature of stationary point. To get the stationary point, we need to find d2y over dx2 by using the second order method. So, when d2y over dx2 equal to 6x, so d2y over dx2 will be 0. So, our nature is inflection point. So, 6x we get from the first order. Now, for the next step is, we need to find x and y intersection. To get y intersection, we need to use x equals to 0. So, when the equation is y equals to x power of 3 minus 4, so we substitute the value of x into the equation. And it will be y equals to 0 minus 4 and y will be negative 4. So next, we find the x intersection using y equals to 0. So, the equation is y equals to x power of 3 minus 4 and we substitute the value of y into the equation and it will be 0 equals to x power of 3 minus 4 and then x power of 3 equals to 4. Then we move the power of 3 to the 4 and it will be x equals to cube root 4. So the answer will be x equals to 1.6. So that's all from me and Abbas will carry on the explanation for the graph. Thank you.
Alright, thank you Zulfikar. Before I continue the explanation, may I introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Abbas Fatih bin Muhammad Nazrul Firdaus and my matrix number is 10DKM21F1003. So, as you can see at here, the nature of this graph is inflection point, where the x-intersection is 1.60. Meanwhile, the y-intersection are 0, negative 4. So, the stationary points are 0, negative 4. And the graph will be like this. So that's all from us. Thank you.